x is a real number and 2 to the x times 7 to the x squared equals 14. Find the value of x. Okay, so let's rewrite our equation here. 2 to the x times 7 to the x squared equal to 14. So let's see, can we find some answer just by replacing? 2 times 7 is 14, so 1 works. If you replace x with 1, it will be 2 times 7, 14. Now, but if you want to solve this problem completely and check do we have any other answer, and we will see we have also other answers. We should solve this complete because x is in the power. One important and the most useful way is to take a log from both sides. So if we take a log from both sides, then I have log 2 to the x times 7 to the x squared equal to log 14. And if we want to apply log rules when we have product, if we have a log AB, we can write it as log A plus log B. So I can apply it here and write log 2 to the x plus log 7x squared equal to log 14. Now here, because we have power in this part, power, we should use another rule in logarithm that log a to the m equal to m log a. So if we apply it here, it will be x log q plus x squared log 7 equal to log 14. So here, it is a quadratic formula in terms of x. We can solve this by factorizing or we can use quadratic formula. You can, if you want to use factorizing, one factor is x minus 1. For finding next factor, comment below this video. So one way is you can solve it that way. Now I want to solve this with quadratic formula. X squared log 7 plus x log 2. Take log 14 to left hand side minus log 14 equal to 0. If we want to use quadratic formula, we know if ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Look, I could solve this easier way. Factor from x minus 1 and x plus. You can easily, by considering this constant term, find the next factor and easily solve this. And I want to just show you, if you couldn't do that, how to solve with quadratic formula and get good at some calculational things. So let's apply it here. X will be negative b, negative log 2 here, plus minus b squared, which is log 2 squared, minus 4ac, which is plus, because minus minus will be plus, so I write plus 4 times log 7 times log 14. And here it will be over 2a, which is 2 log 7. Okay, so let's at first we consider the thing here inside the square root. We call it discriminant, okay? And let's at first simplify discriminant is log 2 squared plus 4 times log 7 times log 14. We know that instead of log 14, we can write it as 2 times 7. We have important rule in logarithm that log AB equal to log A plus log B. If we apply it here, instead of log 14, we can write log 2 So this 2 times 7 plus log 7. So we can conclude it is a log 2 squared plus 4 times log 7 times log 2 plus 4 times log 7 times log 7, which is log 7 squared. And we can rewrite it, or let me tell you. Look here, a plus b, famous identity. A plus b squared. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Here, I can write it as log 2 plus here. If you take 4 inside, it will be 2 log 7 squared. 2 log 7 squared. It will be exactly this. And we can conclude that here for this part, we want to find square root of d. Square root of d is square root of this because this part is positive. Log 2 is positive and log 7 is positive. 2 and 7 are greater than 1. So this is a important thing, a logarithm. If you consider the diagram, logarithm, for example, it is a log x and x. There's 1 here, it will be something like this. X is greater than 1, log is positive. So square root is log 2 plus 2 log 7. If we replace in our formula here, it was what? Negative log 2 plus minus square root of d. X equal to negative log 2 plus minus square root of d, which is from this part, log 2 plus 2 log 7 all over here. The denominator is 2 log 7. So if we replace here 2 log 7, so we should consider 1 times plus, 1 times minus. So let's consider, if we consider plus 1, first one, x equals negative log 2 plus log 2 plus 2 log 7 all over 2 log 7. Here, log 2 and negative log 2 will be cancelled. 2 log 7 or 2 log 7, 1. It's the first one, the beginning of the video we found. So, now I want to focus on second answer. Our second answer is constant minus log 2 minus log 2 plus 2 log 7 all over 2 log 7. Minus log 2 is negative 2 log 2, negative 2 log 7, negative 2 log 7 all over 2 log 7. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 2 and get rid of this. And we can rewrite it as x equal to factor from negative log 2 plus log 7 all over log 7. We can say this answer, but we can also use plus in logarithm that log a plus log b equal to log ab. If we apply it here, minus log 2 times 7, like here, 8 times b, 14 all over log, all over, we can say it is negative log 14 over log 7. And it is our second answer. Please consider subscribing, turning on notification, and like my videos. If you had other solution, comment below this video. Bye.